Hi everyone, I will show you how to create Instagram Carousel Post. Open your Instagram app, then tap the plus icon in the middle of the bottom and select the post and tap the blue arrow on the top right. Then tap again the blue arrow on the top right and tap the blue arrow on the top right. Now you can see the Carousel Post is posted on my page. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.